Hi, Brad from WPSites.net. Let's take a look at the latest tutorial. It's a free tutorial on WPSites.net. Hide shipping methods on cart page based on weight and shipping class. Now, it's a very basic sort of tutorial, step by step. It shows you how to set up the shipping classes and add all the details for each shipping method. And then select the shipping class and add the weight on the single product page. And here's the code here. So let's basically take a look at what it does. Now, before we activate the plugin, we've set up 6 different shipping methods. We're only using one zone in this example. We'll take a look at the 6 different shipping methods. And we've named them according to the weight range. So up to 10 kilos of dry and frozen food, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Let's just take a look at one of them. And we've added the custom label here, no tax. Now the cost is $10 and that's charged as a one-off. And here, quantity, $10 per quantity. And this will work when the dry food shipping class is assigned to the product. So let's take a look at the product. In this case, we'll look at the frozen food product. Here it's a flat rate of $20, but it's also for the frozen food, $18 by the quantity. Let's have a look on the single product page. We've added 30 kilos to the weight. We've selected frozen food over dry food. As simple as that. Okay. Have a look on the cart page. You've got all your shipping methods are displayed. So what we want to do is remove them when we only want to show the last one in this case. The whole thing needs to be dynamic. So to do that, we add the code and we make sure all the shipping method IDs match the settings that we need to use. So I'll put this code into a plugin. We'll activate the code. And we look on the cart page, we'll reload this. And here we go, the only shipping method that's displaying is the one that applies to the frozen 30 kilograms of food. So we can test this. We'll try another one, we'll go dry 5 kilos. Add that to the cart. Up to 10 kilos of dry food. So this is pretty simple. It applies to basically 3 different weight ranges, but you can expand the code if needed. And the settings, they're pretty straightforward as well. I've got screenshots of all the settings here, so you can just flick through these if you need to, but it's all pretty straightforward. So there's the full tutorial on WPSites.net. It's a free tutorial with free code. If you need the code extended or modified, just leave a comment down below or use the contact form. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.